Following are instructions for the large 4-band puzzle ring. Before taking your puzzle ring apart, I always recommend people study their rings to understand the placement of the bands. This may help you in the future when you're identifying the bands. The large 4-band puzzle ring has 2 outside bands, 1, 2, and 2 inside bands, 1, 2. I'll now take the ring apart and help you identify what the bands look like when the ring is apart. The 2 outside bands are the easiest ones to identify because they both have very strong points on them. You can see there's a point and there's a point. The other 2 bands are your inside bands, and they're essentially the same, but there's one minor difference. The topmost band is completely smooth. The band that goes underneath the topmost band is smooth with a small dimple right in the middle. The first step in putting together the large 4-band puzzle ring is to identify the 2 outside bands and then put them so that their positions are pointing outwards. 1, 2. You can also refer to this as the shape of a diamond. I then drop these and work with the 2 top bands. I always turn it so that the dimpled band is in my right hand because I'm right-handed. So you can see I have the smooth band here and then the dimpled band there. I turn it so the bands are face down. I then take the dimpled band, which is in my right hand, I turn it clockwise and I rest it inside of the smooth band. And what happens is I form a figure 8 and I trap the 2 outside bands in the figure 8. My next step is to identify which of the outside bands I feed in first. And to do this, I count the number of dimples. So you can see on this band I have 1, 2 dimples, and on this band I have 1, 2, 3, 4 dimples. I'm always going to work with the band that has the most dimples first. So I take this band, again I turn the ring so it's face down, I take the band, I turn it inside of the figure 8, and then, like a hinge on a door, I just close the door. So you can see I have 1 band trapped. I then take this one, again working with it in my right hand because I'm right-handed, and I feed it through the figure 8. This is sometimes the hardest step because this point is so much larger than this hole that I need to loosen the bands a little bit in order to get that piece inside. See, what's happened is it's come undone, but if I hold it correctly and make it smooth, it'll go back together again.